graphic designer for Nerdy Connections. Today we're going to make a grunge t-shirt in Photoshop. So let's get to that. Okay, so we're going to make a grunge shirt design, and I've done a lot of the legwork here as far as making a shirt to make it look realistic. We have a design right here that we're going to put on this shirt. So these are separate files. If I break it down, here's the actual shirt shape, and I actually have some colors that I can use. I actually mix up the colors right here, and it looks pretty realistic. So I'm actually going to take this. I'm going to use the marquee tool. I'm going to select all of that. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to turn on the shading, and the shading actually gives you a lot of the dimension right here. If you see, I have a color highlights, I have a highlights, and some of the color shadows in there. So it actually creates a realistic type shirt using the shadows as well. So what I'm actually going to do is, on the shirt shape itself, I'm actually going to paste what I just copied above that. So let's go to paste, and there we go. Now right now, if I were to keep it on here, it would not be very good because it would be spilling over the sides. So I'm actually just going to position this how I want it, and I'm going to double click on that and just put logo, and I'm going to go in between these layers, between the shirt shape logo, and push Option on my keyboard, and I'm going to put that, and that's actually going to mask that out. Now this looks really good on black, but what I want to do is go down here. I actually have some other colors made, and I can actually turn that off, and I can actually make a white t-shirt, and that looks pretty good. I have a yellow t-shirt, also looks good on there. But if I wanted to, I could actually make another. If I wanted to make, say, a blue version of this, I could actually just duplicate this layer, and what I'm going to do is double click on that, and I'm going to put blue. I'm going to turn off that green layer, even though it's yellow, it's listed wrong, but I'm going to select the color right here, and I'm actually going to select a blue color. Let's get a really kind of dark blue on there, so I'm going to go OK. This is the transparency lock, and I'm going to fill that, and I'm going to fill this with that color, so I have the foreground color to use, and there you go. That's a really vibrant shirt. So we actually have some different options we can show a client. So that's how you make a grunge t-shirt in Photoshop. I'm Michael Mondragon from Nerdy Connections, and we'll see you next time.